Now once, in a hadith was narrated by Muslim from Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu wa ardah, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was sitting with Jibreel, and then they heard from above. Jibreel said to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, a gate has been opened from the sama, from the heavens, which has never been opened before. And an angel descended who had never descended to earth before. And he said to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, أبشر بنورين أوتيتهما لم يؤتهما نبي قبلك فاتحة الكتاب وخواتيم سورة البقرة. He told him, rejoice, rejoice with two lights which you have been given that were never given to a prophet before you, the opener of the book Sooratul Faatihah and the last verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه, until the end. Then he said, you shall not read a single word or letter of them except that Allah will grant you that which you were asking. Time out. You will not read a word of Surah Al-Fatiha except that Allah will grant you that which you were asking for. Question, are we getting the total guidance from Allah? No. We're not. We have many shortcomings. Many people read the Fatiha daily and they pray daily, and eventually they go back either completely out of Islam, or they start becoming less committed to Islam, or they go back to their old ways, and we have a variation of issues. Even though the hadith promises that any word you will read, Allah will give you. What does that mean? It means that while reading them, we were not sincere. We did not understand. We were not saying them with feelings. We were saying them ritualistically. Ritualism. Because it's part of the prayer, I'm obliged to say it, otherwise my salah is not even acceptable. So I read the Fatiha. But is it from the heart? Usually not. But this is what we want to change tonight. But this is why people will be led astray after being guided. Otherwise Allah will never let someone go astray. Because the hadith says, you shall not read a single letter of them, harf, except that Allah will give you the blessings of that, except that Allah will grant you that which you were asking for. And we will deal eventually with what we say in the Fatiha, and you see how beautiful these supplications are. طيب,